In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to get your WhatsApp QR code so that you could share it with others and they could scan the QR code and connect with you. And apart from that, I'm also going to show you how to generate a new QR code for your WhatsApp account. Now, this procedure is common for both Android and Apple devices, but I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android device. So, get hold of your phone. Once you do that, open WhatsApp and then click on the menu option out here to the top right. Click on Settings. Click on the QR code option out here. You get directed to this page on which you could see a QR code. This is your QR code. You could share this with anybody else. If they scan the QR code, they are going to be connected to you and you are going to be connected to them directly. And if you want to get a new QR code for yourself, click on the menu icon out here to the top right or the three dots and you could reset the QR code. I hope this helps and I hope you got some value. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.